Hi fellow Ravenclaws, this is Izzy. This video, well obviously it's been like 10 days-ish I think since Harry Potter came out, and you've probably all seen it, I guess, who hasn't. And this is me and my friends on the night, doing Harry Potter Puppet Pals, but it's not that great, but I thought it was funny and I just wanted to show you guys. I'm the one who's Luna, got my glasses on, in Ravenclaw robes and everything. My friends are all Gryffindors, so I'm the only one in there, but hope you enjoy it.
Harry Potter Puppet Pals.
Ooh, really good one.
Snape, Severus Snape, Severus Snape, Severus Snape, please, Snape, Severus Snape, please,
Again, sorry for putting you through that, but hopefully I'll make better videos sometime soon. This YouTube is great, by the way. Love the last video. Whatever, I can't do that dance, even though it's probably like the easiest dance there is. I'm not really a dancer. Yeah, so Ravenclaw applied. Can't even say it. Ravenclaw. Sorry. Also, join Spew, please. Go over to the Great Hall, click on clubs and associations, I think it is. Obviously join them all, but